Hello, in this video we'll explore the Rambot, Odoo's powerful tool for accessing live demo environments. So Rambot is an essential tool for anyone working with Odoo, whether you are a developer, consultant, or end user. It provides access to live demo environments for testing the latest features, configuration, or customizations in a risk-free settings. So by using Rambot, you can explore Odoo's newest updates on the master branch, and it will help you stay ahead with innovations and improvements. It's also invaluable for troubleshooting and validating changes without impacting your live production environments. With its user-friendly interface and real-time demo builds, Rambot simplifies the process of evaluating and testing Odoo, making it a go-to resource for efficient and informed decision. So here, if we want to access Rambot, you simply go to your browser. Here I'm using Google. You can type Rambot, and you will have here the link Rambot. If you click on it, you can see here, actually we have like a different builds and different versions. So here we have the database named, like you can see here we have the version 18, the named are like the database are named before their names or their versions. So here we have the version 16, 17, and 18. You can here we have like a search bar. If you want to access maybe some old versions like 14, you can just go ahead and search the 14 here in the search bar, and you will have your database. And also the second thing that you want to know, let me just go back to the so here the second thing that you want to know, so here we have the version, and here we have the databases, different databases. So we have 4 builds or 4 databases for each version. You can see here that we have the community version and also the enterprise version. So here, for example, this is just the time to rebuild the branch. So this branch or this database were rebuilt 2 hours ago, and it's in green means that we can go ahead and access the databases. The one in red means that it's under restrictions, and here the one with blue means that you can see here that the community version is available, but the enterprise one, you can see here that it's under maintenance. So we can go ahead and choose the green one, maybe the enterprise. You can just go ahead and click on this one. So once you click, you will be redirected to the sign in page. You can sign in and your email and the password. If you want to sign as admin, you can just type admin as the email and admin as the password and login. So here you will have all the apps in Odoo, and I have to mention that this database, it's a common database. That means that you can have other people connecting to the same database with you at the same time. So here you can go ahead and test your workflows and your changes without impacting your live production environment. So it's risk-free. You can, for example, go to the sales, test some quotations, you can test the workflow, you can add things, or even test the Odoo Studio features or anything you wanna test, but you are afraid to test it in your production database. So you can do it here in Rambot and have an idea how it works and how it will impact your production database. So basically that's it, and it's very risk-free and also very valuable resource for Odoo users. And that's it for this video. Hope it was clear, and please don't hesitate to reach out via the emails or the links in the descriptions. Thank you.